Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use templates on Klaviyo. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to use templates. So let's just go to this campaigns on this panel and click at Create a Campaign, choose Email, Create Campaign. Here, choose the name, select a tag. It's not like a mandatory the tag, but what's mandatory is this, you can select the recipients, people who you want to receive this. Of course, you can even choose the people who you don't want them to receive this. Click as continue to content. Here, make sure to select a subject line. Of course, it should be like appropriate, not just this like this test. Then click add drag and drop to choose or to use template. Here, as you can see, you will find a lot of templates that is provided by Klaviyo. Of course, you can use those theme templates, you can use some basic ones, or you can use my templates if you have some. And as you can see that from here, you can use your template, select whatever you want, and you can even edit it by clicking at using template. You'll find yourself on this page and you'll be able to edit it whenever you want. Once you finish, click at preview and test and you will be good to go. Of course, you can test it on desktop and even mobile. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.